Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today I am making a very easy and simple snack recipe I would like to share with you. If you see the whole process, then you can also easily make it at home. Let's begin the process. First I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken. Now I will mince it. You can also take minced chicken. Now see how I am doing it. First I am pounding, then I am chopping. Next I will add ginger, garlic, mint leaves and coriander leaves, as well as the chillies. Mix them well with the chopper. I am done now. Now I will smash the minced chicken with my hands like smashed potatoes. Next I am adding black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and corn flour. Again I will mix it and make a chicken dough. Here I am using red infused chili oil, which I had prepared early, and this video has been uploaded in my channel. I will share the link in the description box. Now I am beating an egg with salt and black pepper powder for coating it. Next process is very simple. I don't have breadcrumbs, so I am using rice flour. You can use rice flour as well as breadcrumbs. Everything is ready now. Now take a portion of minced chicken. Give any kind of shape, whatever you want to give. I am giving diamond shape. Wet your hands with water. Now place it on the rice flour. Pat it well. Next, dip it in the egg wash. Again, dip it in the rice flour. Before, you should wash your hands. Otherwise the rice flour or breadcrumbs can stick in your hands. Use any spatula or spoons for dusting. It is ready now. One by one I will prepare all of them. As you can see, these are ready. You can store it for 5 days in the refrigerator. Whenever you want to eat, just keep out from the refrigerator and fry it. One by one I am frying every pieces. Whenever I am deep frying, I always maintain the double frying process for the crispy and crunchiness. They are all ready and smells very yummy. If you like the recipe, then please do subscribe to my channel and give me the feedback in the below comment section box. Thank you, be safe and stay safe at home.